Hi everyone, this is Colin from Gigabyte, and today I'm really excited to be able to introduce to you guys the first time our X99 motherboards. Now, as many of you know, Intel is launching a new enthusiast segment platform. This segment is actually replacing the old X79, and that X79 platform has been around for a couple of years now. So anyway, Intel has introduced a lot of new features and exciting things on the CPU and the chipset side. First of all, obviously, the CPU is going to be many more cores. So you can have up to 8-core CPU or even 6-core CPUs on Intel Core i7 enthusiast segment CPUs. Some of the other advantages of the CPU is they have more PCI Express bandwidth, up to 40 lanes directly from the CPU. So this allows us to do a couple of different things, that we normally would have to use a thing called a PLX chip to get more PCI Express lanes. Now also, this is the first platform that supports DDR4 memory. I've got a module here, this one's from Crucial. Now DDR4 obviously slightly different than DDR3 in terms of the actual shape itself, so you're not going to be able to stick DDR3 into a DDR4 board. But this is the next generation memory technology. So at first, the frequency is at 2133. That's what the DDR4 spec starts out at. And so far, we've seen up to 2800 modules as well. And there's XMP, because of course this is the Extreme Enthusiast platform. So those are a couple of the key new features of the platform itself. But I also want to introduce some of the new features that Gigabyte is bringing to our X99 motherboards. Now, of course, we're introducing a couple of new series as well. So behind me, I want to just introduce, we've got our ultra durable series. So those are going to be black and yellow. We also have our SoC, or our super overclock series, and those are black and orange. And then we also have our G1 gaming motherboards, which are red and black. Now I want to be able to go and talk to you guys a little more in depth about some of the new features that we have for X99 platform.